Here we go. Ready.
Will we be there?
Yeah.
Will we be there?
We'll be there in a little bit.
No. In 2 minutes?
Not 2 minutes, but we'll be there in a little bit.
Which way are we going?
Which way?
Which way? That way.
Gio, your sunglasses.
That way.
You want to stop? What do you see? What's over there? Piggy's right here?
You should
Oh my goodness.
have it.
No, you can't pet piggies.
It does look.
Oh, look at his nose.
We'll probably eat.
Mhm.
We'll probably eat a clown.
Anybody in here?
No.
Oh, you get wet? No, you don't want to pet him. He'll probably spit on you. See him, Luch?
Yeah, it's a banana.
Yeah?
Another one.
Don't you want to see the giant?
And will we be there?
When are we going to be there?
Yeah.
Like 15 minutes. We'll be home. Okay?
And will we get you what?
And then what do you want for lunch?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
And cookies.
Chicken nuggets and cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And a pouch.
Yeah?
And strawberry.
And strawberries?
Yeah. And a duck.
Yeah.
And a duck too. Just
Great.
have it.
You just do your thing. We're gonna go straight out of here and go left.
Gotcha.
Watch the people.
Uh-huh. Going in front of you? Okay.
Yeah. Are you gonna drink the water?
Yes.
Don't
Why?
drink it and ride at the same
Why?
time. You're not ready for that.